Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to create a Kobo form. Open Kobo Toolbox and click New Project, then choose Form and give it a clear title. Add questions using the Add Question button, pick a type, and set validation rules. Group related questions with sections to improve flow and skip patterns. Preview the form on desktop and mobile, then save and deploy to collect responses securely for analysis now. Design clear questions and use concise labels to reduce respondent confusion. Choose appropriate question types like text, integer, select one, or image for accurate data. Use constraints and skip logic to enforce valid answers and streamline the survey, and add hints for clarity. Test repeats, required fields, and default values. Preview translations in the app. Use versioning for changes to track edits and maintain. Include media like photos, audio, or video to enrich responses and confirm context. Use calculated fields and relevance to show or hide questions and automate values efficiently. Test the full flow on multiple devices and export sample data to verify formats. Publish only when satisfied, then invite enumerators and configure offline settings. Monitor incoming data, fix issues quickly, and iterate based on response quality and user feedback, and document known limitations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.